This problem asks us to, without graphing, identify the slope and y-intercept of each equation. Our first equation is y equals 3x plus 5. To find the slope, that is going to be attached to the x in your y equals mx plus b equation, so your slope equals 3. And your y-intercept is the b, so y-intercept equals 5. If we were to graph this, for your slope, you would rise 3 and run 1, and your y-intercept would be 5 because it hits the y-axis at 5. Part B, y equals 5 over negative 4x. For your slope, the slope is attached to the x, so your slope equals 5 over negative 4. Technically, your y-intercept does not show up on your equation, but if you were to add 0, like shown, your y-intercept would equal 0. And again, if graphed, you would rise 5 and run backwards 4, and your y-intercept, it hits the y-axis at 0. Problem C, y equals 3. For the slope, we can rewrite this as y equals 0x plus 3, because 0 times x equals 0 gives you a slope of 0, and your y-intercept is going to be 3. If we graph this, you see it gives you a horizontal line, and your y-axis is at 3. Problem D, y equals 7 plus 4x. Your slope is attached to the x and equals 4, and your y-intercept, the b, equals 7. Again, if we graphed it, you see that you rise 4 and run 1, and the y-intercept hits the y-axis at 7.